Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can use or redeem your Wish gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wish.com. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official website of Wish. So once you're logged in into your account, you can simply choose a product you want to purchase or simply tap on the add to cart or view cart option. Once you tap on view cart option, you will end up in this page where you can find the enter promo code on the top of order summary. So once you type in your promo code and simply hit on the apply button, you can simply use or redeem your gift card on wish.com. So following this prompt, you can save some money on Wish by applying your gift card code. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.